All right, what is up, everyone? So I know you're looking at this little box, and I know you're thinking, it's just a clamp, Chris. How exciting can it actually be? Well, if you've ever had a $400 camera take a swan dive onto your face in the middle of a stream, you know exactly how exciting it can get. This, folks, is the Ulanzi, or is it Ulanzi? I'm not sure, R094, and it's basically the Swiss Army knife of my studio. Okay, first off, let's talk build. Now, most of the cheap clamps on the market use plastic knobs that feel like they're made from recycled toy cars. If you crank one of those too hard, snap, there goes your afternoon. The R094 actually uses a metal tightening knob. It's CNC machined aluminum, which is a fancy way of saying that it's built to actually handle a human hand applying torque without exploding. The jaws open up to 60 millimeters. That's wide enough to take a bite onto a thick banquet table or a structural pipe that would make most small rig clamps cry. And inside, you've got these textured rubber pads. In engineering terms, that's friction enhancement. In my terms, it means I can clamp this onto a slippery tripod leg or bicycle handlebar, and it's not going to pull a slip and slide on me. Now, look at this ball head. Most budget arms out there use smooth, polished balls, which sounds nice until you add on a heavy camera and it starts to droop like it's sad. Ulanzi grooved these ball heads. It's like a clutch plate. It bites in and it stays put. It's rated for about 3.3 pounds, but remember, the further you extend that arm horizontally, the more gravity starts winning that fight. Don't be that person who puts on a full-frame DSLR on a horizontal extension and wonders why it's looking at the floor. Also, a quick pro tip, if you're mounting this to something super smooth like a polished light stand, slap a bit of gaffer tape down first to give the rubber something to bite into. Now, if you want some bonus information, or if you just really need to be sure if your camera will fit, I threw together some more info and tools such as a simulator where you can enter in your camera's weight and get the answer you need. And that's all free online at ulanzi-r094.chrisanemashow.com. I know that's a mouthful. I will put the link in the video description so you could just go down there and click it. So, whether you're rigging an overhead unboxing shot or just trying to get a webcam to peek over your monitor, this thing is a beast. It's hundreds of dollars worth of peace of mind in a $30 tool. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. If you haven't already, please consider grabbing that subscribe button. It's the absolute best way to help content creators like myself. All right, until next time, everyone, take care.